Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fearless Fridays. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter. I'm the author of the book Becoming Fearless and a career coach for leaders. So if you feel stuck, send us a message. We have a solution. Help you figure out where you want to go, help you build the brand so that you can get there. And then once you're there, help you develop as the leader that you are and be as successful as you can be and to feel that your work is fulfilling. It's that ideal job. It's the perfect job. It's your job. That's going to build the career that you can love. And if you're on the job search, I have to tell you something that's crucial. It's very important. That's going to help you probably take some more action, be more successful. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to send the wrong resume. It's okay to copy paste a LinkedIn message that generally converts, but maybe you spelled someone's name wrong. It's okay to mistype in an email a date. It's okay to schedule an interview and not be able to make it and have to reschedule to the next day or to a different time. It's okay to bomb an interview. The job search is not something you do every day. And it's a learning process. And if you're afraid of making mistakes, you stay comfortable or you don't take action, which will not lead to learning, growth, and results. So if you truly do want to succeed in your job search, you have to be willing to look silly, mainly to yourself, because most people don't care, won't remember, and they're not going to hire you. So let's worry about the people that will. So I hope this helps. Hope you take something away. If you do, share it with a friend, especially someone that's down, that maybe made a recent mistake in the job search, or maybe isn't taking action because they're afraid of getting the perfect application, which, by the way, doesn't really matter. Think about the ROI on your actions. The goal is to get a job. Let's do everything and anything, even mistakes, to get there.